Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best TRX mining website. So link in the description. Come here, enter your mobile here, login password, set your security. This is the invitation code and this is the captcha code you have to fill here and click on sign up. So wait, let me sign up. After signing into website you will see this type of interface. So this is the best interface, entronkm.com, and this is all about this. After that you will see 2000 welcome bonus. So this is the best thing about the website. This is the deposit, withdrawal, share, team, app and logo section. So after that you will see here platform data display and membership, and this is about the company where is the best cloud mining of a potential cost effective way. This is the company global partner WazirX, CoinTrace, JNS Mining, Bitmain, Binance, Coinbase. After that click on trading section you will see 4% cloud mining trading, and here I invest TRX daily rate 63T 90 day 180 360. Here you will see 200 TRX starting and max, and cycle 3 days daily 2%, and this is after scrolling down you will see daily rate and daily TRX rate, daily this and about this. So I click on this. Here you will see invite your contacts, refer and earn, and here you can refer and earn. If one of your friend or family register with your link, you will get some reward. Here you will see deposit and withdrawal. Here you will see team section. In this you will see how many people are registered with your link. So this is the best thing. This is the profit list section. You will see basic and promotion. So this is the best thing about the website. This is the transfer to basic section where you can transfer basic account to promotion account. This is the sharing section, notification app and logo section about this. Now I click on deposit. Here I click on investment. After clicking on investment I copy this address and go to my wallet. Wait, I open my crypto wallet. I click on this. I click on send. Here I fill the address and here I fill the amount. I click on this. I click on. So it takes only 5 to 10 seconds to complete the payment. So wait, let me complete the payment. So wait. So it takes only 5 to 10 seconds to complete. So my transaction is completed. You see here my transaction is completed. So I open this and click on recharge completed. After that it takes only 5 to 10 seconds to update. So here guys you will see this TRX address. So now I'll show you how to withdraw. Here I withdraw limit 0.84, and here I click on, and here I click on this. I click on confirm. After that here you will see profit list section 0.8428 and this and this. So after that here you will see all the details, sharing section, investment, trading and home. So that's all about the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.